Watch the full video please.
What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys, and today is cut day.
Me rapping, they know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam, I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Guys, today I'm going to be cutting my hair down to a 1.5, and I'm doing a 1.5 not because I want to. Well, I kind of want to, but mostly for educational purposes. I want to show you guys what a 10-week swarf looks like, and then when you cut it down to a 1.5, what it looks like then. But guys, I have a huge goal. By the end of the year, I want to hit 100,000 followers on Instagram. So if you're watching this video, please stop real quick before we get into the cut and just go over to my Instagram, hit that follow button for your boy. I really appreciate that, all right? And if you do want to copy 26 King Wavy merch, I'm gonna have my link down in my description. Use discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off anything you order off that website. But I gotta warn you though, we do run out of products quick. Everything goes really quick. So if you want your products, go get them ASAP. Use the discount code so you won't have to pay full price. So guys, I actually have a cameraman for today. I'm not gonna be recording the cut by myself, just holding the camera up and junk, and then while I'm doing all this, it's too much work for that. He's gonna be recording the cut down. All right, so what I'm basically gonna do is I'm gonna record the cut down, just cutting off the hair, and that's about it. I don't want to make the video 30 minutes long, so I'm not gonna show y'all the whole cut. Maybe clips of it and stuff like that, but that's basically the plan. And I did forget my comb, so I'm gonna have to run back home and get the comb, go pick up my cameraman, and then go to the barbershop. But yeah, guys, let's do that. I didn't even eat yet, all right? It's too early to break my fast. It's like 9:50. All right, so instead of going home, I decided to stop by the beauty supply store and just get a brand new comb, because I didn't feel like going all the way back home just to get my comb. And the reason I got a comb is because when you're cutting down your wolf, you have to pick it up, you feel me? You have to pick your hair up, so that way you can get down to the scalp and get all the hair that you want to take off. Alright y'all, so I just texted my barber, Clutch at the barber, told him I'm outside, and he about to buzz me in, and you already know we about to get this cut. Alright, y'all, I just finished with the cut. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go home, probably finish this video up tomorrow. So I'm gonna do my night routine and then show you guys the unrag tomorrow of how it looks after the cut, you know, after moisturizing and everything. Cause I did a wash and style a couple of days ago, you know, cause this video is not gonna be up until probably Monday. I'm gonna go home, moisturize, and then show you guys my night routine, and then, you know, show you guys the unrag tomorrow. But guys, before we end this day, my cameraman, you know, go follow him on Instagram. His name is
J.Bands.
J.Bands. I'm gonna have it on the screen somewhere. Y'all go on, check him out on Instagram, give him a follow, and grow his page, all right? Thank him for showing you guys, you know, the footage and everything, for being a good cameraman, all right? So y'all go do that. Okay, so you guys, it is the day after my haircut, and as y'all can see, the blackout is still, you know, in there, in the hair fibers, and it makes my hairline looks a lot sharper. Today, I'm going somewhere. So what I wanna do, if you happen to be going somewhere after your haircut, don't wash your hair so you can take the fiber out. So if you're watching this video, I just finished reacting to the Shampoo Is Alive video, which should already be up. Yeah, so if you guys watched that and you're watching this video today, you should know that this video is occurring. This video is taking place after I just finished recording my reaction to the Shampoo Is Alive video. After reacting to that video, my mind just really switched. So I was gonna use pomade, but instead of using pomade, I'm gonna just use my butter moisturizer and just a little bit of oil, all right? Just so I won't overflow my hair, because I think that the natural oils in your scalp is already at work, so you won't really need all of that moisturizer or product to add to your hair. So I'm just gonna go a little bit, because a little does go a long way. And the reason I'm doing this is to add that shine to my hair. I need my hair to look shiny and silky and more defined. And that's what products do, and that's why I'm using it. So I'm gonna use those two products, brush those in with a soft brush. All right, this is a soft brush. I'm gonna use a soft brush because I don't want the fiber to, you know, just disappear, because if you use a hard brush, it's gonna come off. Yeah, so let's jump right into it. guys, that's going to be it for this video. I appreciate you for watching the whole thing through, okay? I had my haircut yesterday, and then I went to sleep. Today, I woke up, moisturized my hair. Really appreciate you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So, if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. We are on our way to 400,000 subscribers. That's a lot, and I'm grateful for that. So, with that being said, I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm out of here. Peace.